Hello YouTube, Crosscheck back with another great video, and today's video is about how to fix a Wi-Fi connected but no internet access, which is, as you can see here, it's connected to the internet but it does not have an internet access, or it says there is no internet access. As you're seeing on a screen, it says there is no internet access. So in order to solve this problem, we are going to use different solutions from basic to advanced solution, and you can use for any Windows operating system, Windows 10 or 11 or 7, 8, or any other Windows operating systems. You can use these solutions. So in order to start from the basic solutions, which is before we start diagnosing the laptop Wi-Fi settings, make sure your router and internet service provider are providing the internet service. So in order to start from the internet service provider, check your Wi-Fi or check your internet by plugging a cable inside your which is in the Ethernet adapter or Ethernet port. So as you are seeing on a screen, we are going to insert the RJ45 under the Ethernet port and check whether your internet is provided under your screen or not. So if the internet is provided, then the internet service is provided by the internet service provider. So make sure you connect your cable to directly to the line that's provided to you. So check that, and if the internet service provider is providing the internet and if there is no problem related with that, then check your router. So, in order to check your router, try to connect other laptops or mobile phones or any devices that have a Wi-Fi connection and connect it and check whether the Wi-Fi, your router is providing the Wi-Fi connection. So check that. So if your router is providing the internet or the Wi-Fi access to other devices, now you are going to check settings related with your laptop. So the first solution, if the problem is related with your laptop, is trying to check a network troubleshooter. So this thing will work the same for Windows, all Windows operating system. Just click on the search icon and type here troubleshooter. So when you type troubleshooter, you will find here troubleshoot setting. So open the troubleshoot setting and you will find additional troubleshoots or other troubleshooters on some of them. So you will find additional troubleshooter or other troubleshooters. So open this additional troubleshoot. Then you will find here internet connection. So click on the internet connection. Then you will find run the troubleshooter. So select the run the troubleshooter and it will start detecting the problem related with internet connection. So wait patiently until it will finish the processing. So please select the issue Windows should troubleshoot. So troubleshoot my connection to the internet. So select it and it will proceed to the next step. So in this case, the troubleshooter cannot identify the problem, or it's showing us there is no problem related with that. So close this troubleshooter and scroll down to the bottom and you will find network adapter option again. Again, for this one, click on it and select run the troubleshooter. So again, it will start detecting the problem. So it will ask you what is the problem related with your select the network adapter that you want to diagnose. So if it is all the network, select all the network. If it is Wi-Fi, select the Wi-Fi or Ethernet. So in our case, it's Wi-Fi. So I'm going to select the Wi-Fi and select next. And it will start detecting the problem. So wait patiently until it will finish checking the problems. Again, in my case, it's saying that the troubleshooter cannot identify the problem because it's working correctly. That's why. But in your case, it will show you some fixer things or some problems may be solved. So close the troubleshooter section and check whether you are getting the Wi-Fi access or the internet access through using the Wi-Fi. Then solution number 3 will be updating your network driver. So again, this thing will work on all Windows operating system. Just click the search icon, type device manager. So you type device manager, then you will find here the device manager, then open the device manager and open for network adapter here. As you can see here, network adapter, then click the drop down arrow and find your Wi-Fi adapter. So in my case it's Microsoft Wi-Fi direct virtual adapter. In your case it may be different, so select the adapter that is on your computer, maybe Intel or other. So right click on it and select update for driver. So after that, then select search automatically for driver. So it will search for a driver and it says the best driver for your device are already installed. Then close this one and check your Wi-Fi adapter. So if your Wi-Fi connection still have the problem, again right click on it, select update driver and select browse my computer for driver. Then select here, let me pick from the list available drivers on my computer. Select this one, and as you can see here, Microsoft Wi-Fi direct virtual adapter is selected. Then select here next, and it starts installing the driver. Okay, as you can see here, Windows has successfully updated your driver, which is the Wi-Fi direct virtual adapter. In your case it may be different. So after the update completed, then close this one and close the device manager and check whether your internet connection is get back or not. Then solution number 4 will be checking the IP configuration. So to check the IP configuration, which is again select the search icon and type control panel. Sorry, here I type control panel. So after you type control panel, then you will find the control panel, then open it, and under the control panel open network and sharing center. Or if you cannot find network and sharing center, maybe it would be like this on the category. Make sure you select this one and make it larger icons and select network and sharing center. So after you find network and sharing center, it will show you your Wi-Fi connection. In my case it's Chachi, or in your case it may be different number or a name. So based on the name, so select your connection, and after you select that, you will find here properties. Then select the properties. So after you select the properties, you will find here Intel protocol version 4 or TCP IPv4. So select this one and select the properties. Then after, we are going to check the internet protocol version, which is it the address is automatically, or you should have to use the following DNS server. So make sure obtain DNS server address automatically. Select this one, and again obtain an IP address automatically, and also select this one. But if you are working in your organization and if some kind of DNS server address is given for you, then insert that given address inside here, and also use the following IP address. Also insert the IP address that you should have to use based on your institution. But if you are using your private network, just only select obtain IP address automatically and obtain DNS server address automatically. So after you select that, select here OK and close this one. And also make sure you change your power management. So to change the power management, again go here and select the properties and select here configure. So after you select configure, select here power management. So after you select power management, if it is checked, if you have a check on this one, allow the computer to turn off this device to save power, make sure to uncheck it and select here OK and close this one and close the control panel section and check whether the internet gets back to you or not. So let's make solution number 5 on this on Windows 11. So again, click on the search icon. It's the same step on other Windows operating system. So click on the search icon and type again control panel. Control panel. sorry, control panel, and open here the control panel. So after the control panel opened, you'll find internet option. If this thing is not expanded, as I told you earlier, do the same thing. Then open the internet options. Then after you get the internet option, then select here connections. And under the connection, you will find here LAN settings. Select the LAN settings and select automatic detect setting. If it is, if the proxy server is, check this one and check this and select the automatic detect setting and select apply here, because I already in that stage, that's why I say apply and select OK. But in my case, I'm going to select here OK, then select here apply and select here OK. Then close the control panel. So if the problem is still occurring on your screen, the solution number 6 will be resetting, which is reset the Windows Socket API using the following commands. Using these commands, we are going to reset the Windows Socket API. So open your CMD, type CMD and select run as administrator. Right click on it, so it will say run as administrator. Then select here yes. So you will get this one, and here are the commands, which is copy and paste each of them one by one. I'm going to put the commands on the description box. So select the first one, then copy it and paste it here and press enter, and go to for the second one, again copy and paste it and press enter. The third one, press enter. Okay, the next, which is it's renewing the Windows IP configuration. Then after that, the finally IP config flash DNS. Then copy this one and paste and press enter, and successfully flash the DNS resolver cache. So close the CMD and restart your laptop. So in order to restart this, just click here and restart your laptop. After the restart, check whether your internet connection problem is solved or not. So if the problem is still occurring, then the final solution for this video is resetting the network. So in order to reset the network, here click on the search icon and type settings. So here the setting opened. So do the same for other Windows operating system, and you will find network and internet. Select the network and internet option. Then on Windows 10, when you scroll to the bottom, you will find network reset on the bottom. But on Windows 11, as you can see, you should have to select advanced network setting. So select advanced network setting and scroll down to the here we find network reset. So select network reset. So then select reset now. So it's going to reset every information related with your network, and select here yes, and it will reset all data related with your network, and you are about to be signed out. Windows will shut down in 5 minutes. So close this one and your Windows will restart in 5 minutes. Then after that, check your Wi-Fi connection is working correctly or not. So these are the solutions for an issue related with a Wi-Fi connected, but it does not show or have an internet access. So you can use all the solutions. Thank you for watching, and if this video is helpful, please like, subscribe, and give me comments on the comment section. For today, just take out.